Are you tired of digging through endless Jira issues just to find what actually matters for your project? You know the feeling. You are drowning in data, but you can't see the big picture because your dashboards are either cluttered or just don't exist. It is frustrating. But here is the good news. You can fix that today. Learn how to build a custom dashboard in under 5 minutes that gives you instant visibility into your project's health. All right, here is the plan. We will start by opening your Jira account. Then we will navigate to the Dashboards section, create a brand new dashboard, add gadgets to display your data, and customize everything so it actually works for you. Let us dive in. So, first things first, open up your Jira account. Just log in like you normally would. This is your starting point, and it does not matter if you are using Jira software or Jira Work Management. The steps are essentially the same. Now, look at the left side panel. You will see a menu there with several options. Find the one that says Dashboards and click on it. This is where Jira stores all of your existing dashboards, but since we are building a new one, we need to go a step further. Go ahead and click on View All Dashboards. This shows you the full list of every dashboard you have access to. It might look a little busy if you have a lot of them, but do not worry. We are about to create a clean slate. Now, look at the top right corner of that screen. You will see a blue button that says Create Dashboard. Click that. This is where the magic starts. A pop-up window will appear. The first thing it asks for is a dashboard name. Give it something clear and descriptive. I usually name mine after the project or the team that will use it, like Sprint Health or DevOps Release Tracker, something that tells you instantly what it is for. Below that, you have the option to add a description. This is entirely optional, but I find it really helpful, especially if you share dashboards with your team. Just a quick one-liner explaining what this dashboard tracks can save everyone a lot of confusion later. Now, here is a step that a lot of people skip, but it is actually really important. You need to choose who can view and who can edit this dashboard. You will see 2 drop-downs, one for viewers and one for editors. For viewers, you can select all logged-in users if you want everyone to see it, or restrict it to specific people. For editors, keep that tighter, just yourself or key team members. This prevents accidental changes down the line. Once that is set, click the Save button. Your dashboard is now created, but it is completely empty. Do not worry, that is normal. So now that we have got that set up, let us move on to the fun part, adding gadgets. On the Edit screen, you will see a place that says Drag a Gadget to this column, or Add Gadget. You can either drag a gadget from the list on the right, or just click the Add Gadget button. I usually click the button because it is more straightforward. A menu will pop up with all the available gadgets. This list can be a little overwhelming at first because there are so many options, but think about what you actually need to see. Do you want a pie chart of issue statuses, a filter results table, a 2-dimensional filter statistic? Pick one that matches what you want to track, then click the Add button. It will appear on your dashboard instantly. And here is the really important part. You are not limited to just one gadget. Repeat the process to add more gadgets for different metrics. Maybe you want a burn-down chart next to a pie chart, next to a list of recently updated issues. You can layer them all on the same dashboard. Just keep adding until you have everything you need. When you are satisfied with your layout and your gadgets, look for the Done button at the top of the page. Click that and your dashboard is finalized. And there you have it. You went from feeling completely overwhelmed by scattered Jira data to having a clear, customized dashboard that gives you instant visibility into your project's health. In my experience, this one change, just taking 10 minutes to build a focused dashboard, is what separates teams that are just tracking work from teams that actually understand their progress. Now go ahead and build yours. You have got this.